Hello friends, myself Dr. Samrat Jankar, Advanced Laparoscopic Colorectal and GI Surgeon at Symbiosis University Hospital and Research Center, Pune. Friends, this is a third time we are conducting Fistula workshop. It is completely one day dedicated Fistula workshop. I will be talking and discussing. We all together will learn the core concept of the fistula treatment. Complex fistula is one of the important topic. All surgeon, including let it be general surgeon, GI surgeon or laparoscopic surgeon or colorectal surgeon, everyone need to learn because this is one of the common topic. We will be having a 5 to 6 live operative surgery over the day. We will be having. Along with that, we will be discussing what is the fistula and what is the abscess. Should we take it as a different entity or should we club everything together as anorectal sepsis? How to evaluate the fistula? If it is a MRI is the best, how to read the MRI and how to interpret the MRI, that is the fistula mapping. Again, about the different classification of the fistula which need to be we follow, and what is importance about the fistula pattern which has been developed by Dr. Rajuna Sukal sir. Also, we will be going through different techniques of the fistula treatment and what is the pro and cons of each technique, how should we go, and what is the best core concept which will follow the surgical principle and will be able to reproduce and be able to give the good result for the patient without going to give any incontinence problem to the patient. Also, we need to understand, is there an importance of the laser? If at all, how to use the laser in the patient of fistula. All thing in whole day we can learn together and we will improve our surgical practice in our fistula treatment or fistula patient. Friends, few of the last attended surgeons testimonial I am leaving with this video, followed by this video. Go through it, and if you have any doubt you can directly connect to me. Come, we all together will learn on 11th of November in dedicated fistula one day workshop. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Gopinath, and I've come from Hyderabad, and it was very fantastic seminar today. I learned a lot. Before coming here, I had a very scared. I was very scared of the fistula surgery or seeing a fistula. I used to usually refer to the other surgeons, but Samrat sir is a very excellent surgeon and is a very excellent teacher. The concepts he made very clear, the anatomy part, the concept, what we do, why we do, and the different procedures of different surgeons practicing. And he told the core concept of the fistula surgery, which made me very confident, and I can go back to my hometown and I can do fistula surgery with very confidence. I thank very much for Samrat sir and the Symbiosis University for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
मेरा नाम गणेश अशोक स्वामी. आई एम वर्किंग एज असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज लातूर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सर्जरी. आज यहाँ सिम्बोसिस यूनिवर्सिटी एंड रिसर्च सेंटर में फिस्टुला इन एनो के डिफरेंट मॉडलिटी ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट प्लान के हिसाब से एक वर्कशॉप था. इतने सालों के बाद एक गुड थिंग के हिसाब से हमने अटेंड किया आज. और वी हैड लर्न मेनी थिंग्स लाइक फिस्टुला के डिफरेंट मॉडल्स क्या ट्रीटमेंट के सर्जरी विद टेक्नोलॉजी. उसमें रूटीन मॉडल के साथ साथ आज हमने कॉट रही और मोस्ट प्रोबेबली द यूज ऑफ डिजिटल पार्ट ऑफ एब्लेशन ऑफ फिस्टुलर ट्रैक बाय यूजिंग लेज़र. तो उसका जो जुडिशियल यूज़ है वो अच्छे से आज डेमोस्ट्रेट किया है यहाँ पे डॉक्टर सम्राट जानकर सर ने. और इसका बेनिफिट डेली डे एक्टिविटी में और डेली रूटीन पेशेंट केयर में हमको होगा, इसका हमको भरोसा है. थैंक यू.
Rohit Paryani from Mumbai. I have come from Mumbai to Symbiosis Institute, Symbiosis Medical College. There is a fellowship, there is a workshop going on fistula surgery organized by Team Lysotronics and Dr. Samrat Jankar. It's a very nice workshop. I got to see variety of complicated fistula cases, complex fistula cases. I got to learn about lasers in fistula. A very fruitful day. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. We are very much thankful and grateful to the Symbiosis University. They organized very well this fistula in nano workshop, and they organized very complex cases and They demonstrated very well by Dr. Samrat and team, and it is very very useful for anybody to have overall view of the fistula surgery. Thank you very much.
I'm Dr. Amir Duke. I'm attending today workshop related to complex fistula surgeries arranged by Symbiosis Institute in coordination with Lasertronics. I'm very happy to be in the Symbiosis University. They've got good infrastructure, cases are also good, and it's a very good treat to attend. Thank you. I would like to thank Dr. Samrat Jankar and team who has arranged this nice workshop, and I'm really happy to see such a good cases done by Dr. Samrat sir and his team, and I'm really happy to be here. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी डॉक्टर दमन काशीद, जनरल सर्जन अहमदनगर. आज मी ते सिम्बॉयसिस युनिव्हर्सिटी हॉस्पिटल रिसर्च सेंटरला आलो. आजचं हा जो कॉम्प्लेक्स फिस्चुला इन नॅनो ह्या सब्जेक्टवरती वर्कशॉप होतं. लाईव्ह सर्जरीज होत्या, 7 ते 8 ऑपरेशन्स होते. इंटरॅक्शन्स खूप छान झाले. एक केस झाल्यानंतर एक अर्ध्या तासाचं लेक्चर होतं. डिटेल ॲनाटॉमी अबाउट पेरिनल ॲब्सेस, फिस्चुला आणि ॲडव्हान्स टेक्नॉलॉजीज टेक्निक्स ह्याच्याबद्दल आम्हाला छान माहिती मिळाली. डॉक्टर सम्राट जानकर एकदम छान आणि एक्सपर्ट आहेत आणि अत्यंत सोप्या भाषेमध्ये त्यांनी आम्हाला आज लेक्चर्स आणि लाईव्ह सर्जरीज दाखवल्या. लेझरचा प्रत्येक केसमध्ये लेझरचा वापर केला त्यांनी आणि फिस्चुलासाठी लेझर हे अत्यंत उपयोगी आणि पेशंटसाठी खूप छान आहे. कमीत कमी पेन होतो पेशंटला आणि रिझल्ट खूपच चांगला आहे. सिम्बॉयसिस कॉलेजचे जे मॅनेजमेंट आहे त्यांनी आम्हाला इथे चान्स दिला वर्कशॉप अटेंड करण्यासाठी. त्यासाठी त्यांचे खूप सारे धन्यवाद. आणि येथील वातावरण, स्टाफ आणि सगळेच छान होते. सगळ्यांनी खूप कॉपरेट केलं आणि अत्यंत छान असं वर्कशॉप झालं. थँक्यू, धन्यवाद.